folks, welcome back to the Pines. My name is Ann, and today we're here to talk about a fun little feature for our Caribou 1-bedrooms and our Verona 2-bedrooms. Bet you didn't know they came with a storage room, did you? Let's take a peek. So the buildings in which you will be living with these two floor plans, on the first floor is where your laundry room and storage room is located. As you can see here, each storage room is labeled for your apartment number. You'll need to bring your own lock, but the storage room is all you. So you got a great space for your holiday decorations, a bike, anything like that that you need out of your apartment, and it's okay in cold storage. Typically speaking, anything that you would want to put in here clothing-wise or fabric-wise, I would recommend putting in a plastic tote for the safety of your belongings. But you've got a great additional space here if you didn't have enough here in your apartment already. So if you're thinking you want a 1-bedroom but you just need a little more storage, give us a call today and ask about the Verona and the Caribous. You could get an extra storage room out